Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Big news for Arch Linux fans, the first Arch Linux ISO, powered by Linux Kernel 7, is now available for download. Released on May 1st as the 1st of May 2026 snapshot. This is the first official Arch ISO to ship with the new Linux 7 kernel series. This release brings a significant boost in hardware detection. Whether you're installing on brand new devices or older hardware where previous ISOs sometimes fail to detect certain components, Kernel 7 should offer much better compatibility and performance right from the live environment. Another major highlight is the latest Archinstall 4.3, the text-based installer. It now includes a new additional fonts section in the applications menu. During installation, you can easily search and select extra fonts. The options include Noto Unicode for broad language coverage, Noto Emoji for proper color emoji support in browsers and apps, and Noto CJK fonts for Chinese, Japanese, and Korean characters. Apart from fonts, Archinstall 4.3 also automatically enables power management services after installation, fixes bugs related to encrypted partition selection, improves file copying to the target directory, and completes the Hindi translation. Combined with all the previous improvements from the Archinstall 4 series such as better KDE Plasma configuration, this makes the installation process smoother and more reliable than ever. Of course, the ISO also comes with all the latest packages from the official repositories as of late April 2026. You can download Arch Linux the 1st of May 2026 right now from the official Arch Linux website. Remember, this ISO is only for new installations. If you're already running Arch Linux, you don't need to reinstall, simply update your system using the command sudo pacman cu. So, what do you guys think? Are you excited about the Linux 7 kernel on Arch? Planning a fresh install anytime soon? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Linux content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.